Saleng Sangma MLA Jong Gambegre Constituency ka arpulai tarik kalalkot arjar arpulai ulah pak ya ka city no kampo Jong sya commissioner but secretary Jong ka Mikhalaya Legislative Assembly but ino ya kam kumu MLA Jong ka constituency ka Jong ino kam Jong kumu MLA Jong ka constituency kalong hadin bola rai ban ino ya ka parti NCP but lek penyeso no ya la di siya ka parti Kongres hakanehi kaju kasni.
I think you all were aware actually. When I joined NCP, there were not even a single, not a clueless. At least with the Congress, there is at least something on the ground. So, I'm a scrap dealer, to be frank enough. So from the scrap, we still can, do something. Okay, we can make a changes. And then moreover, there is still a vote bank. The people of Congress. That's why I've chosen this particular party, so that we might be able to make a changes in the future.
So when are you joining the Congress?
I think I'll be joining today itself. Yeah. Everybody has left Congress, and yet I'm, instead going back, it seems like maybe somebody might be thinking I'm a fool or maybe an idiot. But it will definitely give a little bigger platform than the, NCP. That's why I'm choosing, because my whole objective is for the people only. I want to do something for the people. That's why I need a bigger platform. So at least with Congress, there will be we actually, not I anymore. You got my point? Right now with NCP, I'm totally alone. Only I. So with I cannot do, especially in a democracy. So we need a team. That's why at least I'll have a team in Congress. So that way we can say that we can do something for the people of Meghalaya.
So do you think this MDA government is facing anti-income joining Congress?
You see,
the wave is
no, it's
for the party.
anti-incumbency was created by the MDA, no doubt about it. I'm part and partial of it. I am very much aware of that one. But in decision making, we were not there. We were not on the board, you see. So even people knew about it, and then people are aware about it. So why would I be scared? I don't have any, any threats regarding the anti-incumbency created by the MDA government.
What's it?
See, actually, this particular MDA government has created lots of incumbency, but the fact is that like the Delhi, especially the NCP, it seems like they are not serious. Whereas I just cannot take, right along with the, with them actually, because my objective is to change, at least do some kind of reformations to the people. If the Delhi is not that serious, why would I go with them? My whole objective is for the people. If like to bring about the changes, I need a serious player actually, a bigger platform. Now with NCP, it seems like I'm stuck. I just cannot spread my wings, So that's the reason why I'm resigning from the NCP and then even from the MLA as an NCP MLA.